Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to solve the challenge which I gave you in previous video. So here is a challenge which I gave you. Subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, ask queries at learnonline.com. There is a lot of commas, inverted commas, backslashes, all these in this. So let's have a look how to solve it. Here is a my code which I use to solve it. I use print, then subscribe, then a comma, and then to include this comma I use this backslash, and include this comma, inverted comma, I use this backslash, and after this I use double inverted commas and like, and now to include this backslash I use this backslash as escape character, and same after this I use backslash n to get a new line, and then this backslash to get this backslash I use this escape character, and after this ask queries add backslash n get a new line, and then after this backslash and this backslash read learnonline.com. And at the end there is a most crucial part. Here we have two backslashes and a comma here, inverted comma. Okay, so to get this I first use escape character to get this backslash, and I again use escape character to get second backslash, and I use again escape character to get this comma here, right? So this is for today. If I run this, and there is this is exactly what is given to you. Here it is, and this is for today. In next video we will be discussing about variables, so stay tuned for that video. I will see you then.